We are still on arithmetic progression, but in today's class, we are going to solve question under arithmetic progression leading to simultaneous equation, like the question that we have on the board. And the question says that if the fifth term of an AP is 28, so we are given the fifth term is equal to 28, and the third term is 12. The third term is what? Is 12, like the way we have it here. So we are now asked to find what? The first term. For us to do that is very simple. First of all, we will apply this in what? In the formula we use in calculating the nth term of an AP, which is Tn is equal to A, which is the first term, plus bracket open, and which is number of the terms, minus 1, bracket closes, D, which is what? The common difference. So what I will do now is I will substitute these values in this equation, which is T5 is equal to A plus bracket open 5 minus 1 bracket closes D is equal to what? 28. And in the second one we have T3 is equal to A plus 5 plus 3 bracket open 3 minus 1 bracket closes D is equal to what? Is equal to 12. Okay. From what we have here, we will now have a plus this. When you simplify this, it will give us 4D is equal to 28, which is equation 1. We move to the next one, which is a plus, when I simplify this, I will get 2D is equal to 12. And this is equation 2. So if I want to solve this now, okay, I can solve this by what? By elimination method, which is possibly I will do equation 1 minus equation 2. When I do this, we cancel out. 4D minus 2D will give us what? 2D, which is equal to 28 minus 12 will give us 16. Now, I will divide both sides by the coefficient of D, which is 2. So when I divide, we will have the common difference as what? As 8. But what they ask us to find is what? Is the first term, which is what? A. So what I'm going to do now is I will substitute for D, which is the common difference, equal to what? 8 in either equation 1 or equation 2. Okay, now let me substitute it in equation 2, which is A plus 2D is equal to what? 12. All right, which is A plus 2 times 8 will give us 16, which is equal to what? 12. Therefore, A is equal to 12 minus 16. And 12 minus 16 will give us minus 4. So the first term that we are looking for is minus what? 4. So you can practice this as well. The fifth term, or rather the 11th term of an AP is 96, and the fifth term is 24. Find the first term. So you can practice this as well. And secondly, you can suggest the next topic, or you can even send question that you would like me to solve. Okay, But before then, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you will benefit, and also form the habit of sharing my videos so that others will benefit. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in next video.